Hello everyone, this is Madan. How are you all doing? Fighter aircraft are designed primarily for air-to-air combat. In warfare, the role of fighter aircraft is to establish air superiority of the battle space. Domination of the airspace above a battlefield permits bombers and attack aircraft to engage in tactical and strategic bombing of enemy targets. There are other qualities expected out of a fighter aircraft. They are its firepower and also its high speed and maneuverability. The success or failure to gain air superiority depends on several factors, including the skill of its pilots, the tactical effectiveness of sending its fighters to war, and the numbers and performance of those fighters. Many modern fighter aircraft also have capabilities such as ground attack and other types like fighter bombers. Other fighter designs are main air superiority role. Other variants of fighters include the interceptor, heavy fighter and night fighter. And another main aspect is fighter jets designed for aircraft carriers. Let us see about the terminology called various generation fighters. The first generation jet fighters are from 1945 to 1955. The second generation jet fighters are from 1950 to 1965. The third generation of fighters are from 1965 to 1975. The fourth generation jet aircrafts are from 1970 to 2010. Now, in between this, there is a generation of fighters called 4.5. This is between 4th and 5th generation fighters. The 5th generation jet fighters are from 1995 and it will extend up to 2025. And 6th generation jet aircrafts are already in advanced stages of development in developed countries like US, Russia and China. With its satellite-assisted inertial navigation system, Tejas qualifies for a 4th generation fighter. Now, the Tejas is an Indian single-engine delta-wing light multi-role fighter designed by the Aeronautical Development Agency in collaboration with Aircraft Research and Design Center of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. It came from the Light Combat Aircraft program. This program began in 1980s to replace India's aging MiG-21 fighters. In 2003, the LCA was officially named the Tejas. Tejas means brightness. It is the smallest and lightest in its class of contemporary supersonic combat aircraft from around the world.
The Tejas is the second supersonic fighter developed by HAL. In 2020, IAF deployed the No. 45 Squadron, Flying Dagger, on the Western Front along the Pakistani border. That is the line of control. Only there Tejas replaced the aging Russian fighter MiG-21. It was the first operational deployment of Tejas. From where did Tejas gained its prestige and proved its fighting abilities? In 2018, the IAF's entire fleet of Tejas Mark I aircraft participated in the Gagan Shakti exercise. It was the IAF's largest air exercise, involving 1,100 aircraft and 15,000 military personnel. During the exercise, the Tejas were deployed to forward bases and demonstrated their reliability and precision strike capability. In 2019, 6 Tejas fighter jets participated in the Vayu Shakti air exercise, where it has demonstrated its swing role capability. Now let us see the specifications of Tejas. Its empty weight is 6.5 tons. Its maximum takeoff weight is 13.5 tons. Its maximum speed is 1980 km/h, that is Mach 1.6. Mach is a measurement of speed. By definition, Mach 1 equals to the speed of sound. At Mach 1.6, the Tejas' speed is 60% faster than the speed of sound. It is called as supersonic speed. Its range is 1850 kilometers and it can fly at an altitude of 16 kilometers above Earth, that is about 53,500 feet. The cost of Tejas depends on its variants. It can be approximately between 300 to 400 crores. The demand for Tejas in the world military market is increasing due to their unique features. As equivalent aircraft from other countries are expensive and require high maintenance, Tejas is gradually getting ready to thunder in the sky around the world. After Malaysia, Colombia and several other countries, now South American nation Argentina has shown interest in buying Tejas. It is notable that Argentina is the first Latin American nation to show interest in acquiring Tejas for its air force. Before this, several other countries including Australia, Egypt, the USA, Indonesia and the Philippines have shown interest in buying the fighter. The Ministry of Defence had signed a 48,000 rupees crore deal with Hindustan Aeronautics in last year to procure 83 Tejas for the Indian Air Force, IAF. Apart from this, the IAF's top air fleet currently includes Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, Rafale, Mirage, and MiG-29. In 2023, the delivery of Tejas to the Indian Air Force will start.
Now let us see some of the other salient features of the Tejas. 50% of spare parts of Tejas are made in India. It uses Israel's anti-radar technology. It can hit 10 targets simultaneously. It needs a runway of just 460 meters to fly, due to which it can easily take off from any warship and land back on it. This fighter jet can be installed with anti-ship missiles. Equipped with laser-guided missiles, it can hit air-to-air, air-to-ground and air-to-water targets. It can fly with arms and missiles equivalent to a Sukhoi Russian fighter. It can reach an altitude of 52,000 feet by flying at the speed of sound. Tejas can refuel in the air and be ready to fight again. This is much more robust than its counterparts China's JF-17 and Korea's fighter jets. Tejas is fully capable of carrying a load of 8 to 9 tons. It can fly with as many weapons and missiles as the Sukhoi, that is the Russian fighter aircraft. And the Sukhoi, we have to mention that it weighs more than Tejas. Its biggest advantage is its speed. Despite being light, its speed is unmatched. Tejas is fitted with an active electronically scanned radar for critical operation capabilities. It can target any enemy aircraft from a distance. Not only this, it also has the ability to evade the enemy's radars. One of the most unique and remarkable features of Tejas is the Made in India active electronically scanned array radar. The AESA radar has the capability to track 50 targets in the sky at a range of more than 100 kilometers while simultaneously engaging 4 of them. India has also started working on Mk2 version of Tejas and an ambitious $5 billion project, that is about 41,000 crores, to develop a 5th generation advanced medium combat aircraft. This brings an amazing future for the Indian military aviation industry. Experienced pilots have said that Tejas is the most pilot-friendly aircraft. It has much more superior avionics than American F-14s, which are currently in use by the Pakistani Air Force. There are 4 variants of Tejas so far. A 2-seater Tejas trainer, LCA light combat aircraft for Navy, light combat aircraft for Navy on the second version Mk2 and other Mk2 variants. I hope that this video was interesting, and thanks for watching the video till the end. Please like, comment and subscribe the video. Most importantly, share the video widely. Thanks once again. Take care. Bye bye.